In this video, we're showing you how to integrate Google Tasks into Google Spreadsheet. So this is quite simple. You can download it by going onto add-ons here, get add-ons. And if you want to type in G tasks, press enter. And yeah, you want to select the green one, which correlates to the Google spreadsheets. So once you have downloaded that, it will give you the option to go to extensions, G tasks, and here we can see some stuff. We can watch a help video, go to my tasks. Unfortunately, you need Google Task Premium. So here it says this add-on lets you bulk add spreadsheet entries to your Google Tasks. Watch the video for more. So yeah, if you want more information, watch the video. The free version lets you add only 2 selected created tasks. Subscribe. So yeah, from here we can add some, edit, rename. But yeah, that is how you integrate the two things. So as long as you have the premium app of Google Tasks, this will not be an issue for you and everything will be integrated and work perfectly fine. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.